nasa bench yung mga main scorer nila eh. Meng, doon sa poste, kontra dito kay Santos. First 2 games of this finals, nag-graduate si Arwin as Cyrus foul niya noong nakaraan. Ni-review ni Coach Alex Conto yung tape. Sabi niya kay Sunny, they were all foul, sorry. Santos, pamepuwersa! Generator shot, he goes through 2 defenders. Cyrus will miss. Santos is battling. Eric Meng snatches away that board and the jump hook on the follow. It gets it over to Santos. Arwin misses on that one though. Baguio nagmamadali, zigzagging his way to the cup.
I don't care if that Arwin missed
to 11 points and get this 5.5 rebounds per ball game. He has been hurting San Miguel.
Sabi ko, game number 1, he had 1 less rebound than Arwin Santos, or 1 less offensive.
Ayaw magpadala sa pressure. Yes, yung mga numero niya hindi ganun kataas, pero sabi niya, maganda daw kasi talaga ang depensa sa kanya ng Alaska. Pero kung ang pag-usama naman, kaya ang
shots.
Second 3-pointer na nga, naibound ni Cyrus kanina, kaya 8 na ang abante ng Alaska. Banchero sa loob, gets that basket, may kasama pang foul.
And the play.
Looking to attack Manuel. Yancy has 10 seconds to shoot. De Ocampo out to Lassiter. Step to the left jumper. Nice goal.
San Miguel got to score there. Nice.
Ubra. Excellent location mula kay Azul. Espinas gets it over to Ross. Faking that handoff. Ross to the cup. Back hits of this game have been scored by the guys in red. They look to go on an even longer run as Cabagnop will line it up.
And there's her longer run, Magu.
Check Kabagi for ang taas ng percentage from the 3-point area niyan ngayon. And he's up to 50 plus and something 60.
Manuel to the cup of the glass.
He was saying he wants more inside shots. Puro sila outside shots lately.
2-minute warning na ng ating first quarter. Tagisan na ng tunay na lakas. Sobra. Gusto ko.
Looking good. The Beerman getting the baskets. They're making stops on one side. At ito na naman sila.
Cabagnop had to get creative. What a shot mula dito kay Banchero misses, but the ball will remain with the guys in white. Coming upon a minute remaining in this first frame. Banchero ulit. Huwag mong pababayaan ng dalawa. Baseline, lalabas kay Vic. The muscle man, nakikipagkirian dito kay Manuel, kay Reyes rather. Reyes thwarted the first one, but Manuel will not be denied.
Even at 1 point, so first you end the quarter down 3. You have to be happy with how you responded.
Espinas from the baseline. Beautiful find mula dito kay Ruela.
Talking that ganda ng atake, Brian Heruela, na-absorb yung mga defenders. Ang ganda ng drop out ng Marigalo.
Abueva in the lane. The 12-footer is good. Double machine. Ito si Calvin Abueva, no? Alam na alam niya kung saan tatalbog dahil siya rin yung bumitaw ng tiro, eh. Reyes from top of the key rings the bell. At Reyes trying to offer the pick. Pupunta siya sa kanan. Nandiyan dyan si Aranya. Going to that familiar spin, Ryan Aranya. Alaska delaying the attack of SMB. Heruela faking the pass, drives in, kicks it out. Aranya from deep, punches it through. Trail sila by 11.
Parang mga shock troopers ito eh. Parang dito sa beard.
Baguio feeds Baclao off the drop. He kisses it off the glass. Santos working against Meng. He wants that clear out. He goes to the other side. It is Reyes who drills it. Patuloy ang ating pagtutok dito sa Game 3 ng ating Philippine Cup Finals. Coach saan? Si JV Casha.
Those are the shots you can live with. Hindi mo lang ma-accept pag may mga layup, ganun, o libreng tira. Pero yun, wala. Talent play yun.
Lutz goes glass. Will earn from the Game 3 ang San Miguel. Starting from the halfway point of the first quarter, looking good. Meng mula sa labas, drills that one.
Credit JV Casio, medyo nag-rebound.
Heruela, attacking De La Rosa, pupunta sa kanto. JRS lights it up mula doon sa left corner pocket. Alex Compton halos dito sa half-court line. Tag-isa na ng tunay na lakas. Cobra, gusto ko ba? Alam mo sinisigaw ni Coach Alex? As we take a look at that basket from Lutz. Next
points, that last possession, ang ganda ng challenge niya sa tira ni Vic.
JR ulit. Inaapake si Sauce. The jump hook off the glass. He's got 10 points. And this third quarter is now underway. Coming to you live mula dito sa Quezon Convention Center sa Lucena. Vic Manuel opens up the scoring para sa Alaska.
Narinig yan.
Joining remaining. Etong sina Baclao, Ontiveros, and Casio. Nakakuha ng takaw ang mga alas. Baclao on the run. Gets the bell.
Wow, I was in my head thinking that turnover. Hindi na naman sila nakakonvert.
Cabagnot working against Casio. Out to Santos. Long bomb on the way. Arvin finally lights it up from distance.
Medyo late yung buzzer ng shot clock natin. 0-0 na, hindi pa tumutunog. Should have been a violation actually.
Abueva gathers himself. Sonny Claus is there to clean it up. Kay Cabagnot yung bola dito sa harap. J.R. Reyes hit a couple of three-pointers in the first half. Tubit lilipad. Wala na magagawa si Casio.
That's on Don.
Tubig showing ang kanyang athleticism. High for that easy layup.
Abueva at the post. Iniwan si Santos. Laling kong pinagtuputan noon. Takes it away. Banchero pushing hard. 4-on-2. Banchero to De La Cruz. Babalik kay Chris.
Talking about the big.
Pupunta dito kay Cabagnot. Espinas coming all the way out to offer the pick. De La Rosa fighting over it. Nakawala pa rin si Cabagnot. He picks Reyes for his 13th point. Isa sa underrated aspect ng laro ni Cabagnot, his athleticism.
Yeah.
Grabe lang, ano?
Tsaka malakas yung talaga katawan niya. Speaking of lakas ng katawan, toss with that big boy move. Pero Cabagnot,
Aranya in traffic, flips it up and out. Hazul lost his footing on the rebound. Cabagnot will feed Ryan, and San Miguel will make a play.
Heruela, Aranya, tapos Chris Dutt with the two big Gabby Espinas and Yancy Amapino. I'm not really sure where the offense is gonna come from.
this is not a lineup that
Working against the boss. Babalik kay Aranya. Naunaan ni Hazul sa bola. It's a 2-on-1 the other way. Hazul will take it strong to the hole, and he gets that layup. Tag-isa na ng 2.
out. Realizing Coach Alex may drop a play for man-to-man. Nice heads-up link by Coach Leo.
Baguio for the tie.
Better shot by Silas Baguio.
Atin-satin yan.
You had a 10-point lead earlier. You would have wanted to sustain. Pero naglaho na yung kanilang Samsung.
Pick and roll action. Aranya to Espinas. He gets that reverse pick up sa kabangka. 35 seconds na titira sa ating ikatlong ito. Heruela penetrating. Sumobra lang. Yancy's there to clean it up.
Iba na ang matangkad. Santos is a big guy, di ba? Pero mas malaki pa si Yancy kaysa sa kanya.
Toss off that
Bawian.
secondary. Gets that basket. Mika sama na naman foul.
Yeah, you have Heruela, you have Ryan, Aranya, Gabby, Espinas. Some very good defenders.
Kasama pa nila sina Lutz and Aranya as Baclao hits para dito sa Bryant. Pepreno, si Heruela, lalabas muna kay Aranya. Ryan on the attack, flips it up with the left hand.
You don't know if it's...
Sa pass to Baguio for the lead. No, Manuel put back. Tapla na naman ang ating labanan.
That's what missing a J.R. Reyes does to you. Ngayon, Arvin Santos, si Gabby
This little place ng Calvin Abueva to try to get possession. Laking bagay. And, pero luckily, itong Gilman nakuha yung possession on the basket.
Marshall, Lassiter with that left and then back. Casio down the middle. Baguio to Baclao. 4 to shoot. Somebody's got to take it. Manuel obliges and he delivers the goods.
a bit in the second half. So has Calvin Abueva.
Cabagnot. Didiskarte papunta kay Espinas. Inatake si Baclao. Espinas! Nilango ng buong ang depensa ni Noy.
So one of the better post players left in the PBA, Jolly. And ito, pinapakita niya.
Manuel, nice fake to get Arvin off his feet.
May saludo pa. Speaking
Lang yung kanyang tira. Lassiter comes out of it. He goes to Tubit on that left side. Tubit, Inararo, si Casio. 3-point play opportunity is coming up. The board in this race to 4. JB would like to think not. Calvin for the tie. Bang! Atin-satin trying to finish with the left. Manuel bothered him enough. Baguio to the muscle man. Derecho vuelo. Manuel gets the layup. Lamang na naman ang Alaska.
Chris Ross, no? We know how good a facilitator kasi itong si Chris Ross.
Magbibisitan
Napipigilan
silang dalawa, no?
Oh.
Arvin!
it's a huge timeout by Coach Leo. He drew up a play for them. Let's see. And it
Oh,
works.
Cabagnot with a knockout play. Nice pass from Lassiter.
It turns out to be a beautiful play, parang up screen, tapos biglang
Toss, Casio, Manuel, and Azul. They go to RJ dito sa kanto. He attacks to it. Pinagpagsironan. RJ Azul with a looper. Get into their possessions. Toss with the pick. Toss is sliding. The ball is with RJ. Back to back. Huge hits mula kay RJ. As Alaska will just burn the clock here. The Alaska Aces come into Lucena at 2-0. They head back to Manila up 3-0 in this race to 4.